Hello, you guys. Well, I got my Midland wr-300 for Christmas Part 2. Because before I only got a scanner and the Alpine cable car. But anyway. Ooh, fire call. Sorry. I should have probably showed you the box first. Can't wait to get into this. Even on this tab it says... Alright, let's get into this. Huh? Included Energizer batteries? Maybe somebody added that for me? I don't know. Here's the owner's manual for the wr-300. Let's get this puppy out. Come on. Come on, radio. Get you out of the box. Jesus. Can't even seem to open stuff today. Nothing in there except for one of those security tabs. And yes, if you're wondering, I do save my weather radio boxes. Oh, Cromwell Bridge Road. Interesting. The power cable for it. Now let's open this radio. I really need to get a stand for these unboxing videos. Because I hate to have to sit you guys down. Here she is. Nice buttons. I like them. Let's get some batteries in this. Get her. Here's the plugins. That's the antenna. That's headphones. That's another alert. That's PC, and that's the DC jack. So looks good. I'll be replacing a radio in my room because I have no more room. My room's a huge mess and I need to redo everything. But I should be able to get this up. But can I mount it on the back? No. Can't mount this one on the wall. Okay, so it's gonna have to live on my nightstand. So I'll have to move our weather radio for that. Bye, guys.